What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. It's a long time since I made my last Hbar update, but we can see it hit my low targets now. I do not expect Hbar to go lower than this 5 cent technical target. Well, that's what I don't expect. Does it mean I'm 100% right? Absolutely not, because you need to do a certain thing to then say, okay, yes, we are no longer going down. And that is now to reclaim the 1 fib level. What I do like that I am seeing on this HBAR chart is once we hit this 1618 target, you did not just stay above the 1618. You got above the 1414. But not only this, you reclaimed that 1.272. And the next following day, you tried to break below the 1.272 and you tried to break below the level below the 1414 in and around 7 cents, 7.3 cent, whatever you want me to call it. I hate saying the zeros, guys. So 7.3 cent. And yeah, you rejected it. We reclaimed the 1.272, and that is absolutely amazing. As long as we can hold this level, the 1.272, you can see it's a previous support. Back in February last year, we were at around 17 cents, 16.5 cents, and we had a massive dump, almost a 50% hit to the account, almost, just under, in the 40s. And where did you find support? On this previous exact support. So I know it's a valid area of support and resistance. And as long as we're holding that, it's going to give us this opportunity to go back up to the 1 fib level, 13.5 cent. Does it mean 100%? No, but it's going to give us a higher probability now that we are holding on to this 1.272 continuously, as long as we can continue to do so, and we can break this 20 EMA / this resistance of this potential W double bottom, which we've been talking about on the channel, on the other coins such as Bitcoin and Quant. And so if it's happening for Bitcoin, it's going to happen the same for HBAR. And if you have been keeping up with the Bitcoin updates, which I urge you guys to all start your day with, then you would know that potentially, although it looks like a W pattern over here that could potentially form, it could equally just be an M pattern trying to form. Okay, guys. So let's look at this. You've got a neckline here. That's your support. You come up again, and you've actually in the future you've come down and lost that neckline now. So it basically means that you're going to try and come down, because you can see it's a 1 fib level as well. So you are now validating a technical target to the downside. You can see that's where the 1 fib level is, 9.1 cent. Since closing below that on the 4-hour time frame, now that we are below, and if we continue to close below the 1 fib level, if you fail to close above the 1 fib level, this is when we will continue rolling. Sorry guys, I just had to find my car keys, but yeah, I've lost myself completely. Sorry guys. Yeah, so after hitting the 1618, what you need to do is come back up and reclaim the 1 fib level. And if you can do that, you're no longer going to these further two targets. If once we meet this 1618, you fail to get above, yeah, we're going down lower. So yeah, back to these lows. And yeah, once you hit the two targets, you might even get a bit overextended, but once you do, you need to come up and reclaim the 1 fib level. That's a big pump, guys, that it needs to do after. So we really don't want that scenario to happen. Will it happen? No, not as of yet. You have no confirmation of that. But I'm getting you guys prepared, because we always need to prepare for both scenarios. Of course, we want the best case, but if you're ignoring the worst case, you're going to fail, because if there is a worst case scenario, it's probably going to happen. So that is just crypto for you. So yeah, be prepared that we could come back down to 8 or even 7 cent, but I do not believe that we should be going below the 16185 cent, as for a lot of charts for HBAR, this wick never happened. Unfortunately though, this is Binance, and I guess a lot of you use Binance. Most of you probably do use Binance to hold crypto. I personally don't, because I know that it's smart contracts and you actually don't own the crypto that you have on Binance. It's literally, yeah, smart contract. It's fake. It's like paper. You buy it. If you were to withdraw it, yeah, they will send it to the next exchange. But yeah, you need to research, guys, because yeah, any crypto that you're holding on Binance, you don't even technically own. It's fake. But doesn't matter. I'm not going to get into that. That's for you guys to do your own research. I'm not a fundamentals guy. I'm a complete technicals. I have people saying, Louis, do fundamentals. That's for you. That's for you guys to do your own research in your own time. I look at the day-to-day movements of this, because we're all investors of crypto. We need to know where it's going day to day. But again, in our heads, we know everything's long term, so we don't really care. But of course, everyone else cares. So this is why we bring out the videos. And if you appreciate that itself, please like, subscribe, and comment, as the channel is just going downhill with the views. Of course, that's because crypto is going down, but the views are going down again. The likes are going down, and yeah, the subscriptions are not going up as fast. So please do all of that. That'll be much appreciated. If you want to give back to the channel, the super thanks is down below. Check out the new memberships, guys. And if you want to learn from a quality mentor, if you want a cheaper option, go to them. You can if you want, but if you want a quality mentor that's going to push it into your head until you get it and sit with you there for 20+ hours, then I have the mentorship. If you want, if you want the course, then we have that also, so you don't need to actually sit down with me. You can do it in your own time. And if you want to do any of those, head over to my Twitter. The link is in the description down below, and all you need to do is message me. If you just want to hear more about it, just message me over on Twitter. Thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.